Have you ever wondered how people in different parts of the world celebrate their unique festivals? From the vibrant colors of India's Diwali, to the exuberant energy of Brazil's Carnival, to the serene beauty of Japan's Hanami, our planet is a kaleidoscope of cultural celebrations. These festivals, deeply rooted in history and tradition, are much more than just grand spectacles. They provide a fascinating glimpse into the diverse cultures they represent, embodying their values, beliefs, and customs. They're not merely gatherings, but significant platforms where cultural identity is expressed and preserved. They foster unity, promote understanding, and bridge cultural gaps, making our world a little smaller and a lot more colorful. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of these popular festivals, delve into their origins, understand their significance, and witness their impact on local communities. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the vibrant world of cultural festivals. Imagine a night sky lit up with thousands of twinkling lights. Welcome to Diwali, the Indian Festival of Lights. This vibrant celebration is not just about the spectacle of lights, but also about the victory of light over darkness, good over evil. Diwali, derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, literally translates to row of lights. This 5-day festival, celebrated by millions across the world, typically falls between the middle of October and the middle of November. It is a time when homes, streets, and cities are adorned with colorful rangoli, candles, and a myriad of lamps called diyas. The glow of these diyas is believed to guide the goddess of wealth Lakshmi into homes, bringing prosperity for the new year. But Diwali is not just about lights and wealth. It's also about family and community. It's a time when people come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and enjoy performances of music and dance. Families clean their homes thoroughly, prepare special meals, and wear new clothes. This is done to welcome the new year and seek blessings from the deities. The tradition of lighting diyas has a significant meaning. It symbolizes the light within us, which needs to be nurtured and sustained to dispel the darkness of ignorance and negativity. Diwali encourages introspection, self-improvement, and the pursuit of knowledge. It's a festival that inculcates the values of unity, goodwill, and compassion. The impact of Diwali on the Indian community is profound. It strengthens social bonds, fosters a sense of belonging, and instills a deep sense of cultural pride. Not to mention the economic boost it provides to countless businesses, big and small, that cater to the festival's needs. Diwali is a spectacle to behold, a sensory feast of sights, sounds, and flavors. It's a time of joy, a time of togetherness, a time of reflection. It's a festival that embodies the spirit of India, a country known for its diversity, vibrancy, and richness of culture. Diwali, a festival that truly brightens the world, is a testament to India's rich cultural heritage. And as the diyas illuminate the darkness, so does the spirit of Diwali, radiating warmth, love, and unity. From the land of samba and football, we bring you the most vibrant festival, the Brazilian Carnival. This exuberant celebration is more than just a party. It's a display of culture, history, and community spirit that is deeply rooted in the Brazilian way of life. The origins of Carnival can be traced back to ancient Roman festivals, but it found its unique Brazilian flavor in the fusion of European, African, and indigenous traditions. Over time, it has evolved into a grand spectacle that attracts millions of people from all corners of the globe. At the heart of Carnival are the samba schools. These are not schools in the traditional sense. Rather, they are community groups that spend the whole year preparing for the festival. Each samba school chooses a theme, designs elaborate floats, and choreographs intricate dance routines. The pinnacle of Carnival is the Samba Parade, where each school gets the chance to strut their stuff in a dazzling display of creativity and skill. But Carnival is not just about the samba schools. It's a nationwide celebration that sees people of all ages taking to the streets in colorful costumes, dancing to the rhythm of samba, and enjoying the infectious energy that permeates the air. From the grand parades of Rio de Janeiro to the regional customs of Bahia and Pernambuco, each part of Brazil brings its own unique twist to the festivities. The significance of Carnival extends beyond the celebration itself. It is a testament to the resilience and vibrancy of the Brazilian people. Through the challenges and changes of history, they have managed to preserve their traditions and create a festival that is a true reflection of their diverse cultural heritage. Carnival also has a profound impact on the Brazilian community. It brings people together, fosters a sense of belonging, and provides a platform for creative expression. Moreover, it contributes significantly to the economy, generating jobs and boosting tourism. The Brazilian Carnival is a riot of colors and music, showcasing the country's lively spirit. It's a celebration that captures the essence of Brazil and leaves a lasting impression on all who experience it. Picture a landscape dotted with cherry blossoms in full bloom. This is Hanami, Japan's cherry blossom festival. Now imagine the joy and anticipation that fills the air as the first buds of the cherry blossom trees, or sakura, start to bloom. It's a sight to behold, a spectacle that heralds the arrival of spring and is a symbol of renewal and hope. Hanami, which literally translates as flower viewing, is an age-old custom that dates back over 1,000 years, and it's a tradition that is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. Every year, from late March to early May, people from all walks of life gather under the blooming sakura trees. They come together to appreciate the fleeting beauty of the cherry blossoms, often holding parties and picnics that last from dawn until dusk. The blossoms only last for about 1 week once they bloom, making it a truly ephemeral experience, a delicate reminder of the transience of life. This festival is more than just about admiring the blossoms, though. It's an opportunity for families, friends, and communities to come together. It's a time to enjoy good food, to laugh, to sing, to celebrate life in all its fleeting beauty. You see, Hanami is not just a festival, it's a reflection of the Japanese philosophy of mono no aware, the awareness of the impermanence of things and the gentle sadness at their passing. But the impact of this festival extends beyond just the celebration. It boosts tourism and supports local businesses, from food vendors who sell traditional Japanese snacks to artisans who make sakura-themed crafts. It's a festival that in many ways helps to sustain local communities. So whether you're sitting under a sakura tree, taking in the breathtaking sight of a landscape transformed by a sea of pink and white blossoms, or you're participating in a lively Hanami party, you're not just observing a festival, you're embracing a tradition, a philosophy, a way of life. Hanami, a celebration of nature's transient beauty, perfectly encapsulates the essence of Japanese culture. Though these festivals may seem different, they all share a common theme of celebration and community. Diwali, Carnival, and Hanami, though originating from different corners of the globe, are all brought to life by the same human spirit of celebration. Each festival is a vibrant expression of its cultural heritage, yet they all resonate with universal themes of joy, togetherness, and reverence for nature. Let's delve into the heart of these festivals. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is a radiant spectacle symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. It carries a profound spiritual significance for Hindus, illuminating the path to spiritual enlightenment. In contrast, Brazil's Carnival, a flamboyant display of music, dance, and color, captures the vibrant, carefree spirit of Brazilian culture. It's a grand spectacle that brings the entire country to a standstill. Then there's Hanami, Japan's cherry blossom festival. This serene celebration is a testament to the Japanese reverence for nature's fleeting beauty. In terms of traditions, each festival has its unique customs. Diwali is marked by the lighting of lamps, feasting on sweets, and exchanging gifts. Carnival is characterized by its extravagant parades, samba dancing, and flamboyant costumes. Hanami, on the other hand, is about the simple joy of picnicking under a blooming sakura tree. Despite their unique customs and traditions, all three festivals have a profound impact on their respective communities. They bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and shared cultural identity. Whether it's the family gatherings during Diwali, the community parades during Carnival, or the peaceful picnics during Hanami, these festivals serve as a reminder that we are all part of a larger community. They strengthen community bonds, promote cultural exchange, and enhance social cohesion. In essence, while these festivals may vary in their traditions and customs, they all revolve around the same core values of unity, celebration, and respect for cultural heritage. They are a testament to the diversity of human expression and the universality of the human spirit. Despite the differences in celebrations, all these festivals bring people together and strengthen community bonds. Exploring these festivals gives us a peek into the vibrant tapestry of cultures across the world. We journeyed through India's Festival of Lights, Diwali, and experienced the joyous Carnival in Brazil. We then admired the serene beauty of Hanami, Japan's cherry blossom festival. Each celebration, unique in its rites and rituals, paints a vivid picture of the locale's customs, traditions, and values. These festivals, though diverse, share common threads. They bring together communities, foster unity, and celebrate life's vibrancy. They are a testament to the human spirit's resilience and our shared love for joy, camaraderie, and reverence for nature and the divine. Understanding and appreciating this cultural diversity is essential. It broadens our horizons, enriches our knowledge, and fosters global unity. It's a fascinating journey of discovery, revealing the world's vibrant cultures and traditions, one festival at a time. Remember, every festival is a celebration of life, culture, and community. So the next time you hear about a new festival, be sure to join in the celebrations and learn more about the world's diverse cultures.